Hello all. Welcome to today's session on mediating effect. First, let's understand what's the meaning of mediator. A mediator is a variable which may account for complete relationship between the two other variables or part of relationship between two variables. Now, let's see what is the process for checking the mediation effect. First, we have to check whether the indirect effect are coming significant or not for all the mediator. If it is not significant, then that means mediation does not exist and we check only for the direct effect. If the specific indirect effect comes significant, then we check whether the direct effect is coming significant or not, so both the way. Now, if the indirect effect comes significant and direct effect is not significant, that means it's the case of full mediation. That means the relationship between two variables that we had taken does not exist directly. If both come significant, that means if indirect effect and also the direct effect comes significant, which means we have to check the total effect is positive or negative. In simple, we have to see these direct and indirect effect are in same direction or not. Now let's go to Smart PLS and let's go to our model. So I think this is a similar model that we had built last time and also we had discussed about the same. Now here what do we do is, as we have done it in our previous sessions, you can go to calculate and then go for PLS algorithm, and then again we'll go for calculate, bootstrapping, and then we go for computing. So now before we go to that, we will also check our model. Now when we talk about this mediating effect, we will try to check the impact of customer satisfaction is the mediator between competence and customer loyalty, and also it is a mediator between likability and customer loyalty. So now what we can do is we will go for constructing one more model here, and then we will try to see the impact of this mediating effect. So what do we do here is we will just go back, and then here I have already created a mediating model here, but then you can delete the other constructs, and I have tried to take only these so that we can try to analyze the impact of this more efficiently. So now what we can do here is we can create this new model as I told you, or you can also go for duplicating the model. Either the way you can go for, you have an option of duplicating it, or you can go for deleting and doing your own new model. Now what we will do here is we have to go for checking. Once this model is done, we are going to check whether it is parallel mediation or simple mediation. So in this case, it's a simple mediation that we are having. That is very clear from here. Now what do we do is let's go for looking into the results. So go for calculate and then we will go for bootstrapping, and then we can just keep it as two-tailed and all this remains the same and give it as calculate. Once the calculation is done, we will go for looking the specific indirect effect. Now in the specific indirect effect, here we can see that both the results are significant, which means that the customer satisfaction is acting as a mediator between competence and customer loyalty. And then if you are looking into the next one, that is customer satisfaction is also acting as a mediating variable between likability as well as customer loyalty. This is what we have seen. So now once we understand, okay, there is a mediating effect and also it says that it is significant, we will have to check whether it is a full mediation or whether it is a partial mediation. Now how do we do it? To check this, I will check I will have to compare it with the direct effect of competence to customer loyalty. So how do I understand the direct effect is nothing but your path coefficient. Now in your path coefficient, you can see these are the direct effects. So what does here it says here? I'm going to compare here, that is your competence with that of the customer loyalty. Now if you see here, competence to customer loyalty, the results are insignificant. Now once you identify that these results are insignificant, we will go for again checking the direct effect. That's what we have told you, and it is insignificant, which means it is the case of full mediation. Whatever effect that is coming from competence to customer loyalty is from customer satisfaction. That means it says that whenever you are trying to add a mediator here, then the results is coming significant. But if you're trying to only measure the impact of competence to that of the customer satisfaction, it is coming as insignificant. Now if we see the likability to loyalty or customer loyalty, that is likability to customer loyalty, if you are trying to see here, this results is going to show as a significant. That means customer loyalty and customer satisfaction is still a mediating variable. So in this case, both direct and indirect effect are significant, which means there is a partial mediation. Now I would like to repeat once again. If you look into the previous model, when we are trying to see the indirect effect, that is specific indirect effect, we could try to see that whenever we are trying to add a mediating variable in both the cases, that is competence to customer satisfaction and customer likability to that of the customer satisfaction, in all the cases it was coming as significant. Then we try to see what is the direct effect of it. We try to see the direct effect of competence and also the customer loyalty. We could see that there is no significant impact. That means only when a mediator variable is trying to be added, there is a significant relationship. Otherwise, the direct relationship is insignificant. Then we try to see the likability with that of the customer loyalty. Here we could see that it is significant, which means even in the previous case, indirect effect as well as in the direct effect, the result showed that there is a significant impact. So we can say that the competence to customer satisfaction to customer loyalty is a full mediation. The likability to customer satisfaction to customer loyalty is a partial mediation. Now, after once you try to identify this, the next step is we will go for checking whether or how to make it a parallel mediation. Now to make it as a parallel mediation, what I have to do is I will just go back to my model and let's try to change this arrow. So how do we do it is, let's go to your same mediating model and then let me select on this. Okay, let's select and delete it and let's connect the arrow. Now what do we do is I am trying to connect the customer satisfaction to competency and customer satisfaction to likability. Now let's go for running your calculate. It's bootstrapping and then let's give it as calculate the results. Now here, once the results are calculated, we will go for the specific indirect effect. Now in the specific indirect effect, we can see that the competence is not a mediator for customer satisfaction to that of the customer loyalty. But whereas, and also you can see that the results are insignificant. But if you look into the likability, it is a mediator between customer satisfaction to that of the customer loyalty, which means these results are coming significant. Now what do we do is we will try to see the joint effect. When I say joint effect is nothing but the total effect that we are going to see, the total indirect effect. Now in the total indirect effect, we can see customer satisfaction to customer loyalty, it is significant. So basically, to say that in parallel mediation, we can say that individually competence is not a significant mediation, but when taken together with likability, it has an impact. And then if we are trying to look into the joint effect, or you can tell it as a total effect, as a name indicates, it's going to show the effect of all the variables is shown here. Individually we will see, but overall the way we have considered the framework, it is showing the significant or not. Here in this case you can see competence to customer likability or customer loyalty, it is not significant, but if you look into all other cases, it is significant. So this is all about your mediating variable, or we can say that the mediating effect. Now further we will also look into the moderating effect.